everyone, welcome to Matt's Lockpit. So the plan for tonight's video is to open up this envelope here, and this envelope contains a challenge lock from TheMistaKD on YouTube, Bribe Mac on Facebook. So basically I put on Facebook on Lockpicking and Locksport UKLP a few days ago that if anyone in Britain was interested in trading some challenge locks, I'd be game. And yeah, basically I had a few replies, one of which from Brian, who said he would happily send me his first challenge lock from Dublin, Ireland, which is very cool. So the plan is to open it up, have a look, and then we'll chuck a pick in it, see if we can feel anything. So very cool. So thank you, Brian, my friend, much appreciated. It looks like we've got a note inside. Bear with me 1 second, I'll just have a quick scan of it to make sure it's nothing too personal. No, it looks okay. So it says, Matt, enjoy the lock. I named it Greim, Irish for bite. I hope I pronounced that right. If it binds up, take out the grub screws for pin 4 and 5, cover the holes and give it a tap upside down. Brian. Right, very cool. So let me open a bit here. Cool, let's see what we got here then. So it looks like a Euro cylinder. She's a Basta. Cool. 5 grub screws in the bottom, so I'm assuming it's a 5-pinner. Got some very neat engraving done on the side. Greim again. I assume it's pronounced Greim. You'll have to let me know, Bri. Cool. Let's have a key Greim. Bandaged. Nice, very cool. So let's stick this in the vise and see if we can feel anything going on in here. See what... Wow, we got a lot of slop in the court. That normally means either T-pins or it's heavily populated with spools. Guess we'll find out in a second. I'm going to use my Sparrows offset hybrid. Been using this a lot lately, so crack on. Just, whoop. A little full set of 5 to start with. Very cool. Counter rotation of 4. Counter rotation and a click of 3. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 1. Counter off 5. You can feel that there's some funny business going on with pin 4 and 5. I wonder what sort of witchcraft that holds for us. Lots of counter rotation off everything here, guys. 5. Ooh, nice full set there. Seems like it's going to be one of those locks where you just keep getting into a deeper and deeper false set. Don't mind those, because you know at some stage it's going to go pop and open. Maybe not this. Just go for a quick reset and give it a go with an Attila. Right, so straight away again, full set of 5. Nothing on 4 this time. Counter off 3, click off 3. Nothing on 2. Counter off 1 and a click, but we've lost the full set. Oh, whoa, Jesus Christ, look at that for a full set, guys. I hope that's showing up as deep as it is on camera as it is in real life. But that's a bloody deep full set. I'll just see if I can get some tension to hold it there. Just looks like it's going to hold itself, if I'm honest. Look at that, I'll put that up the middle for reference. Yikes, that's a deep falset. I think I'm going to carry on with a pry bar now instead. I think I'm going to need a bit more control. If that falset gets any deeper, I'm going to have to build myself a decompression chamber or something, guys. That is seriously deep. I don't think I've ever had a falset that deep before. It's got to be about 35 degrees. 30 degrees at least. I'm not 100% sure how to attack it from here, if I'm honest though. Pin 5 feels funny. I wonder what sort of witchcraft is going on in pin 5. I think I'm going to have to manually counter rotate this. Can't be setting pins at a 30-degree angle. That's insane. I'm going to switch back to my offset hybrid a second. I want something a bit far. 5, 4 feels a bit funny. Let's see if I can manually counter rotate on 4. There we go, she's open. Whew. My god, that was one hellish deep falset, my friend. Now that was a very fun lock. I'm looking forward to seeing what witchcraft is at the back, but that is open. As we can see, very cool. Whew. That falset was crazy, man. As I said, if that went any deeper, I'd literally have had to build myself a decompression chamber or something. So, cool. Let's have a look at what key we got. Just bend it down there a bit. Take the silver off, I guess. Let's have a look at this. There we go. Bastard key. Looks like we got Greim on the handle as well. Very cool. So let's lock this up. Key's working perfectly. Lovely job. So yeah, let's get this thing gutted. See what the hell's in here. I am curious as to see what was on pin 4 and 5. That falset was fucking ridiculous, guys. I hope it showed up on the camera how deep that actually was, because that was literally insane. Alright, circlip removal tool I need. What we're dealing, I could probably do that with a screwdriver. And of course my screwdriver's not here either. I've locked that back up anyway. We do have grub screws on the bottom of this, however, I quite like to gut them the traditional way. Bear with me 1 second, guys, I'm just trying to find my circlip pliers. Wrong ones. Let's see if we can make do with a little flathead screwdriver. No, apologies for this, guys, bear with me 1 second. Oh, they're here. They're here all along. Panic over. There we go. Well, I'm definitely going to be getting a shim in this, because as I said, there is witchcraft going on at the back. Nice, I love it when there's plenty of room for a shim. Makes things a lot easier. Can't remember which side the bloody keys were now. Sorry guys, bear with me 1 second. should be up there. Shimming. Follow up. Ooh, very nice work, my friend. Look at those 3 deep grooves cut out there, guys. No wonder the falset was so deep. As you can see, everything needed to be picked. Pin 2 was a bit of an overset trap. But yeah, that's very good work done to the core, my friend. I wasn't expecting that. Very cool. So let's see what we got in here. Number 1. So another good thing about these mats, for any of you that caught my video the other day saying about these mats, every now and then when I drop a pin on my workbench, they bounce off and they literally end up in another dimension. It's fucking crazy. Alright, so we got all standard key pins. Just set those up nice, out the way. But very cool. As I said, look at the work to the plug. Very nice, that's deep. No wonder we got such a deep falset. Right, so let's see what in here holds for us. Right, I'm going to start at the back purely because that's my flat side. So let's see. Well, that's annoying. I'm just going to swap followers over. Sorry about this, guys. There we go, swap my followers over. I've got a flat end, so now I can start from the front. A lot more comfortable position for me. So pin number 1, we have a spool pin. Cool. And a little copper spring, double spring thing. Pin number 2, we have another spool. Very cool. Same spring as the first. Third is also a spool. Matching spring. And pin number 4. Now let's see what the magic is with this then. Alright, what's that? Looks like a little T-pin, but we've got more to come. Oh, that's nasty. That is evil. I'll show you this close up in a second, guys. But that is very evil. And a matching spring for 4. And last but not least, pin 5. Oop, that flew out. And it looks like we've got the same in pin 5 as what we had in pin 4. And that is very nasty. Very nasty indeed, my friend. That was a very cool lock. I really enjoyed that. That was fun as hell. As I said, that's probably the deepest falset I've ever had in my entire life. And let's just show you the magic that we had in pin 4 and 5. Separated spools. So yeah, essentially it's like a T-pin on top of a T-pin. Got a nice, sorry guys, not on camera. Can't get that to focus for you, but the bottom ones have got a lovely bevel in them. See if I can get that to flop over just to match up. So just to recap, 5 standard pins, 3 spools at the front, and on 4 and 5 we've got Yeah, it's a split spool in the middle, sitting on top of each other, so it's like yeah, inverted T-pins sitting on top of each other almost. Don't really know how to describe it, but I'm sure you can see from there. And look at that work done to the plug. And that's very neat writing on the lock itself as well. I'm impressed with that. So thank you, Bri. That was a really cool lock. As I said, I think that is literally the deepest false set I've ever been in my entire life. So thanks for sending it, bud. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe. And as I mentioned earlier, I got this lock from Bri, who I spoke to on Lockpicking and Locksport UKLP. Very, very good Facebook group. UKLP also has a shop, as you can see down there, uklockpickers.co.uk. Absolutely fantastic shop with fantastic service. So yeah, I'm going to get going now, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye now.